circle. Your admiration is well-founded, but I am merely a servant. Do not worship me!
Chief says you have passed all tests but one. Only left is Wachutu Circle of Death.
Funny! That's my specialty. This is it. I have to beat him. Alrighty then. I must tell you, I do not wish to fight you. Violence is no longer in my nature, but if you want it, you got it, sister! Fighting, I see. I was unaware that the Wachutus were fighters! Well, why don't you try this on and see how it fits?
Ace! He's much better fighter than you.
All right! This white devil thing has gone far enough. Nobody messes with the dew!
He said, sorry, white devil, but he must kill you now.
I'll have you know I have the reflexes of a cat and the speed of a mongoose. Throw it! I dare ya! Oh, no! Don't just stand there! Throw me a spear! It's in the bone! It's in the bone! It's in the bone!
Chief says you make him laugh. You are like sissy girl. Sissy girl. Wachutu chief say you friend to Wachutu.